So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select the Details tab. And now once we're here, you want to find your game. Make sure that your game is running, which will then make it appear in this list. Now once you find your game, you want to right click on it and then click on Set Priority, and you want to make it high. And then click on Change Priority. This is for the CPU. Now for the graphics card, you want to go to search and type in graphics settings. Click on it. Now once we're here, you want to look at this list for your game. If you don't see your game, you can then add it as a desktop app. You want to find the exe file of your game and then click on add. If it's a Microsoft Store game, you can click on add Microsoft Store app. Now once you add your game in this list, you want to expand it. Make sure you have your GPU preference set to high performance. That's how you do it.